Hey there, tea enthusiasts, welcome to Healthism. Get ready to cozy up with a cup of chamomile tea as we uncover the incredible health benefits it has to offer. From its soothing properties to its potential to promote better sleep and digestion, chamomile tea's a wellness elixir worth exploring. Stick around as we dive into its nutritional goodness and learn who might want to sip cautiously. Let's brew some knowledge, shall we? Chamomile tea offers a range of nutrients and compounds that contribute to its health benefits. Here's a nutrient profile of chamomile tea. Nutrient profile of chamomile tea, per 8-ounce serving. Calories: 2. Protein: 0 grams. Fat: 0 grams. Carbohydrates: 0.5 grams. Fiber: 0 grams. Vitamin A: 0% of the daily value. Vitamin C: 0% of the DV. Calcium: 1% of the DV. Iron: 1% of the DV. Potassium: 0.4% of the DV. Magnesium: 1% of the DV. In addition to these macronutrients and micronutrients, chamomile tea contains various bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, terpenoids, and antioxidants like apigenin, which contribute to its health-promoting properties. Chamomile tea is renowned for its soothing properties and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. Here are 10 health benefits associated with chamomile tea. 1. Promotes sleep. Chamomile tea is often used as a mild sedative, helping to induce relaxation and improve sleep quality. Drinking a cup before bedtime can help calm the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. 2. Reduces anxiety and stress. Chamomile contains compounds that may help reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress by promoting relaxation and reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. 3. Relieves digestive issues. Chamomile tea has been traditionally used to treat digestive problems such as indigestion, bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It can help soothe the stomach lining and alleviate discomfort. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Drinking chamomile tea regularly may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis. 5. Boosts immunity. Chamomile tea is rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which help strengthen the immune system and protect the body against infections and illnesses. 6. Supports skin health. Chamomile tea can be used topically or consumed orally to promote healthy skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help reduce skin irritation, acne, and signs of aging. 7. Aids in muscle relaxation. Chamomile tea may help relax muscles and alleviate muscle spasms, making it beneficial for those experiencing muscle tension or menstrual cramps. 8. Supports heart health. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 9. May improve blood sugar control. Some research suggests that chamomile tea may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which could benefit individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 10. Alleviates menstrual discomfort. Chamomile tea is often used as a natural remedy to relieve menstrual cramps and discomfort. Its muscle-relaxing properties can help ease tension and reduce pain associated with menstruation. While chamomile tea offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Despite its numerous health benefits, there are certain individuals who should avoid or limit their intake of chamomile tea. 1. Allergic reactions. People allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigolds, and daisies, may experience allergic reactions to chamomile. Symptoms can include skin rash, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. 2. Pregnant women. While chamomile tea is generally considered safe for consumption during pregnancy when consumed in moderation, it's advisable for pregnant women to consult with their healthcare provider before consuming it regularly, especially in large amounts. 3. Breastfeeding women. While there's limited evidence to suggest that chamomile tea may be safe during breastfeeding, it's recommended to consume it in moderation and consult with a healthcare provider to ensure its safety for both the mother and the baby. 4. People taking blood thinners. Chamomile contains coumarin compounds that may have blood-thinning effects. Individuals taking anticoagulant medications, blood thinners, like warfarin should avoid chamomile or consume it cautiously to avoid potential interactions. 5. Individuals with ragweed allergy. As mentioned earlier, individuals with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, particularly ragweed, may experience cross-reactivity and allergic reactions to chamomile. It's best to avoid chamomile tea if you have known allergies. 6. Surgery patients. Due to its potential blood-thinning effects, individuals scheduled for surgery should avoid chamomile tea for at least 2 weeks before their scheduled procedure to reduce the risk of excessive bleeding during surgery. 7. Children and infants. While chamomile tea is generally considered safe for adults when consumed in moderation, its safety for children and infants hasn't been thoroughly studied. It's advisable to consult with a pediatrician before giving chamomile tea to children or infants. As with any herbal remedy or supplement, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking medications. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And, of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content. If you have any questions or want to share your own nutrition tips, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from our incredible Healthism community. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of chamomile tea. We hope you found this exploration both enlightening and inspiring. Until next time, happy sipping and stay well.